Welcome to the tutorial on how to program the Sygma radiator. To start programming, check that your radiator is in automatic function. If it isn't and the screen displays the M symbol, press the manual auto button to change the function. Press and hold the menu button for 3 seconds to enter programming mode. Comfort mode will be programmed first. Select the desired temperature for this mode between 19 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius using the minus and plus buttons. Press the center button to confirm. Next, program the temperature for eco mode. Select the desired temperature between 7.5 degrees Celsius and 18.5 degrees Celsius using the minus and plus buttons. Press the center button to confirm. Now select the days of the week. Use the minus and plus buttons to move forwards or backwards through the days. Press the center button to select the day or days you want to include in your automatic program. The day will stop flashing once selected. Repeat for all the days you want to program with the same settings. Once all days are selected, move forward to day 7 and press the plus button to continue. Finally, select the hours for your program. The screen will display the time in 24-hour format. Midnight is shown as 0. Use the minus and plus buttons to move through the hours. Once you have selected the desired time, confirm with the center button. Press once to assign eco mode, indicated by the icon at the top of the screen, and a mark on the lower bars. Press twice to assign comfort mode, indicated by the corresponding icon at the top of the screen, and 2 marks on the lower bars. If no icon appears, the device will be switched off or in anti-frost mode. Repeat this process as many times as needed. To finish, press the menu button to save your program, or wait 30 seconds without pressing any buttons for it to save automatically. If you wish to set different schedules for different days of the week, you will need to configure each day or group of days separately, repeating the process from the main menu. All done. Your Sygma radiator is now programmed to provide personalized heating tailored to your daily routine.